I think I know what my friend Gennaro needs. I'm going to make him a warming zuppa di pesce. This dish here is for you and all the chefs that were transporting the Madonna. For a traditional fish soup, I never use less than 5 different types of fish. Here I have prawns, monkfish, sea bass, and a handful of scallops. If you cut me the onion, Diana.
Yeah, walk with it.
You're fantastic, yes. I dedicate it to you, but you have to work. But first we have to make a base for which we must have the usual onion and a clove of garlic, crushed, of course. And now 1 whole chili. Yes. Just cut it like this with all the seeds. The seed is the essence of a chili. Everybody takes it out, I don't know why. Put it in. Sometimes they say you don't fry with extra virgin olive oil. But for things like this, it's fantastic. Then a little bit of fennel. They give a particular flavor. Then I add a generous glass of red wine, followed by 2 tins of chopped tomatoes and around half a liter of water. Now for the most important ingredient. We should always flavor the base of a fish soup with one of the rockfish.
Look at that, Anton. Can you see?
Rockfish are bottom feeders, and that makes them very tasty. I have chosen scorpion fish, but if you are using one of these, look out for the hidden spines. They may cause a nasty sting. A little bit of parsley, thank you. Now this has to cook until the meat comes off the bone. So we can do something else now, Gennaro. The fish takes 15 minutes to flavor the base, so there's just time for a hand of cards. Joker. Come on, my new cheetah, that's unbelievable. Perfection, Gennaro.
Yeah.
The base has absorbed the flavor, and the scorpion fish is cooked. There you are. So now, can you take me all the meat?
All?
Off.
You always give me love,
yes.
love to do it.
Yes. Later, I'll be adding the boneless meat to the soup. Let's see that I take this.
Yeah, it's the cheek, which it is very, very important. It's the best bit.
I have to see how it tastes.
Yeah, thank you.
This is the best bit.
Yeah, it's the best bit.
Now is the time to add the other fish, starting with the one that takes the longest to cook. First in, chopped monkfish fillet. Salt and pepper. Does it taste? Yes. This fish here, this is sea bass. Then we put now the prawns. Another bit of salt. Wonderful. The flesh of the scorpion fish is then added. And last but not least, the scallops, as they take the shortest time to cook. And now for something quintessentially Italian. Before the soup, crostini drizzled with olive oil are put in the bottom of every bowl. The fish, oh yes. Look at this. Wonderful. It's almost...
The smell.
It's really very good, actually.
Smell.
Buon appetito.
Buon appetito.
I feel like a cat. Greedy cat.
Yeah. You do cook this soup so fantastic. And the bread underneath.
That's lovely. For Italians, soup without soggy bread would be like a boiled egg without soldiers.